everyone, welcome back. Roadways here. Today I got a package. It is from Dutchware, Dutchgear, Dutch clips. It is my new Chameleon Hammock. I've not opened it yet. I just got home from the cabin and it was sitting on my porch, so I'm going to kind of do an open and see what I have in here. I know what I have. I have a couple clips and new Chameleon Hammock, and I believe it's top cover as well. So yeah, let's do this together. As you can see behind me, I have my Hennessy hammock. That's kind of my setup at home. And then behind that, I don't know if you can see, but it's my, I have a projector right above my hammock for my TV. Pretty big screen, that works. I got a little bag here. It's I think my top cover. It's my hammock. It's pretty small, I like it. What are these? These are some sort of tie outs that I gotta figure out. Bag of some sort maybe. Oh no, this is a pocket that hangs up above, I believe. And these are my sewn on clips, Dutch clips. The beetles, but I don't see the beetles, I only see the clips. I must have just got, I didn't get the beetle buckles with it, I don't think. Huh, I'll have to figure out if I ordered the wrong ones or what. But yeah, they thought they had the beetle buckles with them, unless they're somewhere else, but yeah, they're not on here. They're not in the bag, so I'll have to figure that out. Let's see, what's it say here? It says spider poly straps with the Dutch clip sewn on. You'll have to look see what I did there and how I ordered the wrong ones, or why the beetle clips didn't come on. But I have some clips on my setup right there, so I'll probably just leave those on for right now, and then I'll change them to this, and I'll have to order a couple beetle clips. That's alright, no big deal. So what I did is I got the Chameleon Hammock. I had the I did the body layer in the camo. I did the second body layer in the camo. I did the symmetrical top with the moonlight cover. And again, that was in woodland camo. And then I did the Chameleon tiles, which are what this is. And then storage pocket is what this is called. So there we go. So that's it. So that's everything I have here. I ordered this last Sunday, a week ago, so it is now, I don't know what today's date is, 25th, so a week ago. It shipped out on Wednesday, and it got to my house on Saturday. So that's pretty good. Good, so I will, again, I'll have to figure out what's going on with these Dutch clips. Why I didn't get the beetles, but if I have to order those, I'll order those. No big deal. That was probably on me, but I'll double check. So let's get started here. I guess let me open this bag. Open the side pocket or storage pocket. Oh, that'd be nice. Yep. And the reason I say that is I'm not going to start a debate by any stretch, but I do hammock canoe camp and stuff, and when we do, I usually bring a 38 with me. And I like to put it in my hammock. The reason is I've had a couple bear come into camp over the years. Nothing major, nothing has ever been done, but you know, if I need something to grab to shoot, to make some noise, I definitely will. I know people carry pepper, bear spray and all that other stuff, but you know, I just prefer the gun. So I'll put that in there, and then I'll put my cell phone in there, and a couple other things that I need. So I guess let's start with this hammock here. it's a double layer sack. I'll have to figure out which is the head end, gray or red. And we'll go from there. So let me get this other one down here, and then I'll restart the video. Come back. Go ahead and start this. See what we can do to get this done. Tight here. I definitely like this double-ended sack. It's pretty nice. All right. Quality seems really nice on this. Nice ridge line. Okay. I guess I thought I was supposed to be able to add a sleeping pad underneath somehow. Oh, I got it. Right there. That's where you add it. Awesome. Alright. Great. So, sorry about that. I was kind of looking for that. Yeah, so that's it right there. It's set up. Then I'm going to lay down here in a minute and see if I can't hurt myself. That's better, all right. Oh, perfect, yeah. Okay, good. So it sits comfortable. Yes, isn't bad at all. The ridgeline's nice. Love the color. I love the woodland camel color. Seems to be pretty lightweight as well. Yeah, I'm going to have a quick lay down here a minute. Let's see. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, this is really nice. This is nice and big. I mean, this thing feels huge. It absolutely feels gigantic. Which is definitely nice. Definitely nice. Good, that feels really comfortable. The rope did slide down on that side a little bit. I gotta figure that out. I'm just getting into this, so I'm trying to figure out how to work things down here. Let's go ahead and put on this top cover. again, I've not ever used this system before, so I'm assuming I will get quicker and easier once I know what I'm doing. And again, this system right here is going to be primarily used as my winter system. My Hennessy is going to be used as my summer. I got a Chill Gorilla underquilt that I'll be using with the Hennessy. And then with this, I just ordered a UGQ's 10 degree top quilt, and then I'll be getting a Hammock Gear underquilt, either 10 or 0 degree for my winter camping. And a hot sleeper. Right now I go out, I have a 15 degree bag in my Chill Gorilla underquilt, which is, I don't know, rated to 30 or something, and I stay plenty warm. So yeah, this is going to be the new little system to try and see how well it works. Now, do I go over the ridge line or under the ridge line? Hell of a question. Let me go over the ridge line, right? Yeah. Go over the ridge line. That makes sense. And I could probably watch a video, but that's no fun. I'll just make myself look silly. Yeah, you go over the ridge line. That way you can still use it for your inside pocket and storage. Okay. And this side gets zipped up over here somewhere. Oh man, is that a neat little system? Okay. I gotta find my zipper, which is somewhere down here, way down here. Awesome, alright. Alright, I'm going to try and get in here and show you a little bit of what I was doing over here. So, underneath this mesh right here, the zippers go up and they zip in there. Right there is one side. Then they zip on the other side. The zipper runs all the way down. Basically it comes here and does the same thing right underneath here. Now this is again the Moonlight top cover. So you can't see it here, but there's a net maybe. And on the inside there's this. I believe I can take this off. There should be a zipper. Yep, there is, and I can take that off so I can see out if I need to. If I want to see out, or if I want it dark, I can put that on and leave that on. That's something that I'll have to play with. I'm hearing a lot of different reviews, but yeah, so that's it. That's it right there. That's the setup. Again, you know, at home here, I'm just doing I got an eye bolt right into the wall. Again, there's my Prusik knot for my tarp when I'm out in the wild. There's the old clips. And then on this side, I go to a stud. There is a sewn-on Dutch clip on this end, and the beetle clip, and this is that's a much better system with the sewn-on Dutch clip. Originally, when I did this, when I bought the straps, I didn't know what I wanted, so I decided not to do that. But then I ordered a set and I traded with a buddy, so we each have one with a sewn-on. Well, that's what these new ones are. New one is going to be, I'll have sewn-ons on each end. And I'll just have to order the beetle clips because the leftovers are going to be for my son, who's 10, and his hammock. So, but there you go. There it is. There's the first look at it. I'm excited. I love the color. I didn't know about the camel, but I decided that I really like the camel. So I'm glad I went with the camel. Nobody will be able to see me in the woods. I'll be like an invisible man. There it is. So yeah, thank you, Dutch. Thank you for getting it here right away to me. I'm probably going to sleep in it tonight, maybe. I don't know. Let's see. I'm going to go in here a minute. This is my basement. We're in the process of finishing it. And so I think this is going to be my new hammock room. I think I'm going to hang my hammock from that corner over there, basically all the way to this corner, and hang in here. And my wife's office that's in here now, we're going to move it upstairs, and then that can be my TV over there, because yeah, there's no projector in my TV. So anyway, that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I will answer as many as I can, but again, I'm new to this. I just got this. Man, am I excited. It's a monster of a hammock. So awesome. Thank you. Again, please subscribe to my channel. Create a YouTube account. Hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like button. Please leave a comment. Really trying to get this channel rolling. I'll hopefully get this video up in the next couple days.